Hello, viewers. Welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says, evaluate x minus 3 to the power of 4 equals to 16. So we are going to evaluate this for us to find the solution of x or the value of x. So here from the question, we are given x minus 3 all to the power of 4 equals to 16. When we have equation like this, we have a constant at the other side of the equality sign. We need to transpose the constant to this other side. So this will become x minus 3 all to the power of 4. When 16 transposed into this other side, it becomes minus 16, all equals to 0. So 16, we know that 16 is the same thing as 4 times 4, which is 4 to the power of 2. So we are going to represent this as 4 to the power of 2. This will give us x minus 3 all to the power of 4 minus 4 to the power of 2 equals to 0. This 4 can be written as 2 times 2, or we have 2 to the power of 2. So here will be x minus 3 all to the power of 2. So we have here bracket to the power of 2 minus 4 to the power of 2 equals to 0. We can see that we have to the power of 2 here and to the power of 2. It is in this form a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, because this is our a and this is our b. This is the same thing as a plus b all into a minus b. That is the solution of difference of 2 squared. So we are going to express this equation in the format of this solution of difference of 2 squared. As we said, this is our a and this is our b. So this will become x minus 3 all to the power of 2 plus 4. So this is our first bracket. So for this, then this one will be, we have x minus 3 all to the power of 2 minus 4. That is the second bracket, all equals to 0. So we have this. We have the first one and the second one. It is either the first bracket equals to 0 or the second bracket equals to 0. We take one after the other. We have x minus 3 all to the power of 2 plus 4 equals to 0. Or we have x minus 3 all to the power of 2 minus 4 all equals to 0. Let's take this as case 1 and let's take this as case 2. We take one after the other. So in this case, we need to clean this for us to see the clearer view of this. So we say case 1, we have x minus 3 all to the power of 2 plus 4 equals to 0. So we have this. So what we are going to do is for us to transpose 4 to this other side so that we will be able to clear off the bracket or the parenthesis that is raised to the power of 2. So this will become x minus 3 all to the power of 2 equals to minus 4. So here, for us to clear this parenthesis, we need to bring in square root to both sides. So we say apply square root to both sides. So this will become square root of x minus 3 all to the power of 2 equals to minus 4. That is square root of minus 4. So in this situation, 2 will cancel here and 2 will cancel the square root. Therefore, we have x minus 3 equals to, this is going to be plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of minus 1. So here we can see that our x minus 3 equals to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 and square root of minus 1 is iota, which is I. So we have this as the solution where we are going to find make x the subject of this expression. By so doing, our x, because minus 3 will be transposed into this other side, our x will be equals to 3 plus or minus 2i. So we have two solutions from here because we have plus or minus. So it's going to be x1 equals to 3 plus 2i and x2 is going to be 3 minus 2i. So this is the value of x1 and x2 that we have. You can see that from the question here, we have this parenthesis to the power of 4. That means the solution is going to be 4 solutions, x1, x2, x3, and x4. So from case 1, we have x1 and x2. Then we are going to look at case 2, where we have this. So in so doing, we need to clean this. So we have here, we are going to look at our case 2, where we have x minus 3 all to the power of 2 minus 4 equals to 0. So what we are going to do for us to cancel this parenthesis to the power of 2, we need to transpose the minus 4 to this other side. So this will become x minus 3 all to the power of 2 equals to 4, because when minus 4 transposed into this other side, it becomes positive 4. So in this case, what we are going to do is for us to apply square root to both sides. We say apply square root to both sides. So this will become square root of x minus 3 all to the power of 2 equals to square root of 4. So here 2 will cancel here and 2 will cancel the square root. We are now left with x minus 3 equals to square root of 4 become plus or minus 2. So in this case, for us to make x the subject of this expression, we need to transpose minus 3 to this other side. So this will become x equals to 3 plus or minus 2. So from here, we have the value of x, which is 2, because we have plus or minus. It's going to be our x here will be equals to 3 plus 2, where our x equals to 5. That is for the first value of x, which is x3. So the second value of x, which is x4, is going to be 3 minus 2. So in this case, our value of x4 equals to 3 minus 2 is 1. So we have the value of x3 and x4. So we are going to write it here that we have a value of x3 as 5 and a value of x4 as 1. So these are the 4 solutions of x that we said that our power to the parenthesis is 4. So we have 4 solutions. So these are the 4 solutions of x that we have. We can do a little check for us to see whether each of these solutions will satisfy this equation. Before we do that, we need to clean this. So we have here, we will do a little check for us to see. So from the question, we are given x minus 3 all to the power of 4 equals to 16. What we are going to use, we are going to use the real solution from this value of x, which is x3 and x4. So let's say at x equals to 5. So from the question, we are given this. So the value of x here will be 5 minus 3 all to the power of 4 will lead equals to 16. So we have here 5 minus 3, we know that is 2. 2 to the power of 4 will this equals to 16. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Will this equals to 16? So here is 4 and here is 4. 4 times 4, we all know that is 16 equals to 16. Therefore, x3 equals 5 satisfy this expression. Let's see the second one, where at x equals to 1, which is x4. So here, from the question here, we are going to have the value of x, which is 1 minus 3, all to the power of 4. Here, from here. Will this equals to 16? Let's find out. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So we have minus 2, all to the power of 4. Will this equals to 16? So this is the same thing as having minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. So this is the same thing. This is plus 4 and this is plus 4. We know that 4 times 4 is 16, which is equal to 16. So what we have on the left hand side is what we have on the right hand side. Therefore, x4 equals to 1 also satisfy this question. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.